Akinwale Abidakun, and I've decided to dress up like this to represent the culture where I am. I'm a proper Yoruba guy.
We are kings. We are enthroned to promote culture and our tradition. This pageantry has something to do with culture, and that is what we are enthroned to promote. So it has been consistent in promoting Yoruba culture, African culture, and doing that to the global world. I think if you find us here to support him,
I mean, it's something good.
Hi, my name is Ben the Poet, and I'm live here at Miss AFRICULTURE Nigeria 6.0. And so, beauty can actually help us in preserving such culture, so people get to know much about it, get to know how it is being done, passed down from generation to generation, so it doesn't go into extinction. I think that's one of the ways the way beauty can actually preserve our cultural heritage in Nigeria.